I recently came across a channel called Mischief Time. Their most viewed video has pulled in over 250 million views, all while using AI to create their content. Let's check the total number of views on their channel. They have an incredible 12 billion views in total. Now let's see if they're monetized on YouTube. Copy the channel's URL, search for, is this YouTube channel monetized? Click on Media Cube and then paste the channel's URL. As you can see, the channel is monetized by YouTube and is earning revenue. Now let me show you how you can create this type of content yourself. Make sure to follow each step carefully so you can get the best results. First, open your browser, click on the Images tab, and search for a full image of Erling Haaland. Make sure to select full image for the best results. Right-click the image you want to use, download it, and save it as Haaland. Next, head back to your browser and search for a full image of Yamal. Right-click the image that works best for you, download it, and save it as Yamal. Now open your browser and search for Gemini AI. You'll find the link in the description below. We'll use Gemini to create our character images because it allows us to upload reference images. I've already generated the images for this tutorial, and the prompts I used are linked in the description. For the first prompt, I generated an image of Haaland looking at a fish. The second image shows Mbappe. The third shows Mbappe stealing the fish. The fourth shows Haaland chasing Mbappe. The fifth shows Mbappe putting the fish back into the water. And the final image shows the two of them shaking hands. Again, all of the prompts used to create these images are linked in the description. Once you've created your images, it's time to turn them into videos. For this step, we're going to use DeeVid AI because it supports generating videos using images of footballers. This video is not sponsored by DeeVid, so feel free to use the link in the description if you'd like to try it.
Wow, look at you. You're beautiful. Wow, look at you. You're beautiful. Wow, look at you. You're beautiful.
Hey, give me that fish! Come and get it! Hey, give me that fish! Come and get it!
Right, I noticed that the video with over 250 million views was very short, so I'm going to keep my video between 9 and 10 seconds to maximize audience retention. Open CapCut and import all the videos you generated. Trim each clip slightly so that the final video is around 9 to 10 seconds long.
Wow, look at you. You're beautiful.
Hey, give me that fish! Come and get it!
Next, let's add some sound effects. Open your browser and search for sound effects, then search for sound button memes and download the ones that best fit your video.
It's raining time.
Tung 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 sahur.
Import the sound effects into CapCut and finish editing your video.
Come and get it!
Wow, look at you. You're beautiful.
Come and get it!
To hide the watermark, go to the stickers section and apply a sticker over it. Resize the sticker so it completely covers the watermark, then extend it so it stays on screen until the end of the video. Once everything looks good, export your video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Wow, look at you. You're beautiful.
Come and get it!